It's my bike.
Oh, your bike.
I'm whipping. Oh. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Coda, and today, well, I kind of like starting my videos like this the day before of the thing in the video. Is we're going to the beach tomorrow. All right, so I just kept running in and out of the house because I had to take the mail inside. Yeah, but tomorrow we're gonna be going to the beach, and it's gonna be like 8 in the morning, and I close tonight too. Oh man, it's gonna be so much fun getting up. If you are new, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, go ahead and subscribe, because I have some good content coming for you guys too. Also, turn on those post notifications as well. And yeah, and I just got stopped by a red light. And you know another thing I just realized? If I do go to the beach tomorrow, that's gonna be the first thing I've done outside, like away from home, in like a while. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back home now. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning right now, so but I'll see y'all in the morning. We're meeting my dad at Walmart, and we're gonna be I'm gonna be recording in the morning. I might be like freaking tired.
Okay.
But let me go ahead and get in here and go to sleep, and then I will see y'all in the morning. Tomorrow's gonna be fun, but I gotta work tomorrow, so the video's not gonna, it's gonna be up. Probably when you guys are seeing this, you guys are probably gonna see this the next day, or whenever I get a chance to upload this. So I'm not sure. I'll probably put a text like somewhere right here, saying when I uploaded this, cause I don't know when I'm gonna upload it. So, but I will see y'all in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is 7 in the morning, but I'm just running to get something to eat. I'm just running up to McDonald's real quick to get my brother something to eat real quick, because I haven't ate anything yet, because I just woke up not so long ago. Today is gonna be so much fun, but I feel like I'm gonna be really burnt today when we get to the beach. I don't know, because it looks like there's some clouds out. This looks like it's gonna rain. Hopefully it doesn't. All right, but I will get back with you guys when we're on our way to the beach. So I got the McDonald's back secured, boys. All right, guys, we are heading to the beach. I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, guys, we are here at the beach. Dad, Dad, it's my bike.
Oh, your bike.
I'm whipping. We got our spot. What do you think of today, Dad?
Okay.
All right, but we're just getting our stuff, and then
We're lost.
let the fun begin.
Fun's for funny people.
If I am a funny person.
No, I'm funnier.
No, I'm the funniest.
Love you too.
I'm the funniest.
No, I'm not. No way.
Yeah, we've been swimming for about
300 hours.
I wish, but it's been like an hour, I think.
All these damn people, but I feel so alone, stressed out, just wonder why I have a phone. All these fake ass people, they want to see me strive, but reality is they just want to see me die with a good job this and a great job that. Stop with all that shit.
Yes, do it. Are you scared? Are you scared? I'll race you.
There, I have shoes.
I can beat you by walking.
Stupid.
Oh. What's up, guys? We got Ricky. Yeah, but I gotta go get my dad because we gotta help out. Oh, I got you one of those boards.
Is it wooden?
Yeah, it's the wooden one.
You know what a boogie board is?
Yeah. Is you excited?
I've seen one.
You excited?
Yes, I can't wait.
Yes, sir. Would you do it for a Scooby snack?
Ooh, Scooby snack. It's called Whitewater Beach because the water's quiet or something.
I don't know.
I guess the water is kind of quiet because listen.
I hate you. Leave a comment down below why you think it's called Quiet Water Beach. Yeah, we got the big strong man right here.
Yeah.
Big strong man.
What?
Because we got coolers.
What?
We got coolers.
And then they just see
Don't
me
play
jump
dumb with me.
on-
You see that? See what it says? Ricky, ask him.
Why is it called Whitewater Beach?
Why?
Because the waves are quiet.
Because it's quiet and the water is the beach.
Yeah, I'm sure about that.
What in the world is this?
It's a mask, boys.
Okay.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Ricky! He dropped. You made like 2 inches. Where the heck did that come from? I'm very confused. Hey, Donna. Hey, Dad. Dad, say hi to YouTube. For like the fifth time. Yes. Yes. Yeah, it looks like Ricky's having fun already. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey! What? What is wrong with you? Alright, fine. Alright. Ready? Go!
What? So one of y'all go.
Hey, Ricky. What you doing, Ricky?
He's swimming. Can't you tell?
Didn't you just jump off that?
Yeah, what?
Ricky, you just jumped off that. You did it. High five.
No.
High five.
I'm gonna destroy you.
Hey, hey, hey.
Don't do that.
All right.
Come on.
Bruh, look at this dude.
I got it, baby. I'm away from him. I got it because he wants me to record this.
Okay, chill.
Oh no, you started the scooter. It won't hurt to get this wet a little bit, right?
No.
Okay. I got the photo bonus. Oh, you don't trust me?
No, I do.
Hi. Woo!
James, high five.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Yep, so we just jumped off the pier. I'm gonna go jump off the pier some more. Dive? No, I'm gonna do a front flip. Yeah.
I believe I went all the way to the bottom. Mommy.
Oh my gosh.
And I still had to push my way back up, but it didn't hurt.
Bet you won't belly flop right now. No. Do it. Do it for the video. Dad. Dad. Alright, so I'm gonna be ending this part of the video here. And I'll probably get back to you guys whenever I get home. James, what are you doing?
Digging a hole so I can bury myself alive in.
Okay. What's up, guys? I just got home and it's currently like almost 3 o'clock and I gotta go to work in like 2 hours. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of our day at the beach, and you know, subscribe, like, and all that other stuff. Put on those post notifications as well, and I will see y'all in the next video. Promise you guys it'll be another banger. I'll see y'all in the next one. Dad. I am so burnt right now. It may not look like it on camera, but like, I feel it.